Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this episode, you'll see everything I ate for the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. For the first part of this video, I was still on fat loss macros. For more information on fat loss macros, you can check out this video here. I am now currently doing maintenance macros and I'm still trying to figure things out. So some of my foods later in this video are a little bit crazy. So if you're looking for more information on how you can lose weight on keto, don't forget to check out this keto weight loss playlist. Those videos are going to be a little bit better for you than these because I am trying to figure out my maintenance macros right now. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video and you get some ideas for your own keto meal plan. Let's get to the food.
Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, or should I say afternoon, because it is now almost 1:30 in the afternoon and I am breaking my fast. This is my first meal of the day. Today I am having 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese that's fried, and 60 grams of strawberries with 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with Mio water enhancer. This is the Acai Berry Storm. And 2 of the brand new orange vanilla Coke Zeros. I actually have not tried these and I'm super excited.
All right, everyone, it's Wednesday night and I am having 4 medium-sized chicken legs with a little bit of green beans with salt, and I'm having Frank's Red Hot sauce on it and some ranch dressing, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, here I am at Commonwealth School. It is Thursday and I am having Quest protein chip nachos with 4 ounces of ground beef, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 1 package of holy guacamole avocado, 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, and 3 tablespoons of Hatch Valley salsa. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Thursday night. I totally screwed up at lunch today. Ruby didn't eat her protein nachos. She was doing the keto experiment or the keto challenge, and she didn't make it past lunch. And I couldn't bear to see those protein chips go to waste, so I actually ended up eating hers as well as mine. So kind of shot my carb macro out of the water. So I couldn't really have any carbs, much carbs anyway, for dinner. So I am having a 3-egg omelet with 1 ounce of provolone cheese and a tiny bit of green onion and 40 grams of center cut bacon. And then I am just going to have a little sugar-free, 0-carb gel snack for added bulk to the meal because, you know, this is piddly for a meal. But that's what I'm going to do, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's March 1st. It is Friday, and this is my first maintenance meal of the day. I am having 5% Fage Greek yogurt, 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 3 little peanut butter fat bombs from a recipe I made on the internet. That is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, everyone, it's Friday night and I have already eaten up all of my carbs and most of my protein. So I am just going to have a 5-ounce steak and a little bit of sugar-free Jell-O. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. This is a sad, sorry keto cake that I am eating today. It has been beat up, but I'm going to eat it. Alrighty, everyone, here I am. We just finished up our dance competition. Hi, Ruby. And I am having 9 chicken wings with hot sauce and a salad with ranch dressing, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello, everyone. It's Sunday, and I am breaking my fast at 1 o'clock with my typical first breakfast. So I have 1 cup. Today I have 1 cup of 5% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio and 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, and 2 ounces of cheese. And that's going to be my first meal of the day.
All right, everyone, it's Sunday night, and I am having Dave's baked chicken with Swiss on the inside with ham and also Parmesan cheese on the outside with a quarter cup of Rouse Alfredo sauce over zoodles. And I am having I don't remember the flavor of this one. I think it's like Almond Joy or something. I can't remember. Keto cake from keepingit.ketocakes.com. I do not believe they ship. Sorry guys, I hate to do that to you. I'm showing you what I'm eating because this is where most of my maintenance fat is coming from tonight. And I want to show you guys what I'm eating for maintenance. Alrighty everyone, I'm sitting here folding laundry and this is going to be my first meal of the day. Today, it is Monday. I am out of bacon. Dave is at the store currently buying some, but I am trying to figure out what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you this first so that I can put it down. So this is my regular Creole brew, but today I am having 2 tablespoons of heavy cream in it with stevia. Okay, and then I am having 2 ounces of part skim mozzarella cheese. Yes, it's a little overdone. Yeah, that happens. I'm going to eat it anyway. 2 fried eggs. These are coconut oil, peanut butter, cream cheese, cocoa powder fat bombs. There's 16 grams of that. 200 grams of 2% Valle Greek yogurt because that's what I had left over from the competitions this weekend with, I think it's orange tangerine Mio in it this time. And I am going to try one of these. I just bought these. I researched online trying to find the best protein bar that had lower fat, high protein, and very low carbs. As you can see, there's only 1 gram net carbs in there in these. They're monk fruit sweetened. Julian Bakery has some great monk fruit stuff. This is not sponsored. I wish it was, but I don't know what it tastes like yet. I haven't tried it yet. This is literally, I just barely got them. But the macros on these are pretty dang awesome. Let me turn it around and show you. For fat loss even. So if you're going to have a bar, like, these macros are pretty banging awesome. So you can see only 5 fat. And there's a 19 carbs, 18 fiber. And all of the sweetener is monk fruit extract. And so 1 gram net carbs, but 20 protein. So this is really actually not a bad option for fat loss keto if you're going to have a bar. I'm pretty excited. I hope it tastes good. If it doesn't taste good, well then blah. But I'm going to try it today and see if it tastes good. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, it's been a few hours and I am feeling pretty dang hungry, so I decided I would have a second meal. So this is 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese with 7 pieces of pepperoni and 2 tablespoons of Rouse marinara, 40 grams of center cut bacon, and 3 sugar-free jellos. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Monday night and I am having my last meal of the day. I am having 5 ounces of New York strip steak, 1 cup of green beans with salt, and 1 coconut cream Keeping It Keto cake from www.keepingitketocakes.com. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. So I'm starting with my typical breakfast: 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 fried eggs, and a cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer. Then I have 12 grams of peanut butter, coconut oil, cream cheese, peanut butter, no, I said cocoa. Peanut butter, cocoa powder, coconut oil, cream cheese fat bombs, and 1 serving of Creole brew with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and stevia. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Meal number 2. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday night, and I am having my last meal of the day. I made myself 3 ounces of chicken breast with 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of Rouse Alfredo sauce, and 1 cup or 70 grams of mushrooms and a little bit of green onion on top. And then I am going to have my last keto cake. This is blueberry lemon. It's from keepingitketocakes.com. Don't think they ship yet, but they may in the future. You never know. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. And oops, I forgot I have 100 grams of cauliflower rice underneath that. So I forgot that part.
Well, there you have it. Everything that I ate in the last 7 days on keto. It was a crazy week, and this next week is going to be even crazier. I hope you got some great ideas for your own keto meal plan. Don't forget to join us on Facebook. The link is in the About section below for more information on how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. Also, don't forget to check out our Teespring store for awesome merchandise that you can purchase to support this channel. And also, we have a Patreon account for those of you who would like to show your thanks and support for this channel. The link is also in the About section below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. We'll talk to you all again soon.